Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn our next topic. Our next topic, human environment. Okay, so before human environment, I'll tell you about two important topic about ecosystem. You can see this word ecosystem. So here ecosystem, there are two types of ecosystem. Land one called terrestrial ecosystem, and the ecosystem which is found in water, that is called aquatic ecosystem. You can see the picture here. This is aquatic ecosystem. In aquatic ecosystem, that is belong to water. Here water, as we know, underwater there are lots of many aquatic animals, aquatic species, small, big, and aquatic plant also there. So all this include what? Water ecosystem, that is aquatic ecosystem. Another one, this one here, terrestrial ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem habitat, which one? What? Here this one, land ecosystem. It means land ecosystem. Over land, animal, plant, bird, different type of species, small, big, this make what? Our ecosystem. Plant, animal, bird, this one land ecosystem. Remember, two type of ecosystem. Okay, today's our main topic is human environment. What is human environment? Already you got. So human environment, what? Human dominated the planet Earth and make changes to their surrounding. That is human environment. As we know, human environment, man-made environment also, building, then park, flyover, roads, hospitals, school. These are human made things. So human environment, what happened here nowadays? Most important part in our environment also, human environment. And another thing, where human population more, there is some problem created. Here you can see a small population of primitive people that live in dense forests and isolated areas. What? Here you can see here, human adapted what? Their environment, what? Lived in harmony, who live in forest. Remember, human environment, what? Some people live in forest, dense area, forest, and also hill area, and some people, what? The people make develop and what? Live in city area, urban area. So here are two type of means we can say human made environment. Some people live in forest. So here is some problem created when people, here is a beautiful picture. You can see when people live in forest, they what? They live with their environment. They don't want to destroy the forest. They want to live very peacefully in hilly area and forest area. So you can see here very natural picture they made with the thing which they get in forest. So they are not destroying the forest here. And even and mostly what? In forest area, hilly area, people very less live there. So forest area, hilly area, this one what? Ecological balance continue. But problem is where? Problem is mainly problem is here when people cut down the trees, clear up the forest and make the big cities, buildings, and people become more people. You can see here it's a large amount of people here. So it's what create problem? It's what create problem? Imbalance, ecological imbalance. What? Ecology cannot be balanced. How? Here you cannot see any trees. You can see here only people, then smoke here, buildings, cars, road. So here ecological imbalance started. But the forest area, there is less ecological imbalance. That is the problem. What nowadays the developing countries, what they are trying what means they trying to develop, but for the development what happened, ecological imbalance happened. But in forest and hilly area, people they live very peacefully and where ecological balance we can see. So with this what happened, with this pollution happened, with this what global warming happened. So for global warming happen and create problem for our earth. So create problem for our earth. Nowadays what human environment also in India become very crucial. So here in human environment in India, in the last quarter of the century, India has made what many achievement for human welfare and prosperity. Yes, human welfare. Welfare means Jana Kalyan, for doing good for the people, prosperity, along with safeguard the natural environment. Yes, our India, we are trying to make welfare our society, developing our society, and also many safeguard step taken to the safeguard. Safeguard means protection for the environment and sustainable development. That means we have to develop our country also, as well as our economy also, and also we have to safeguard our forest, our natural environment. This is called what? Sustainable development. Here is a very we can say sad story also, and also very encouraged story also, Chipko movement. What encouraged story? As you know already, Chipko movement. So this is the person who made this movement. This is the person, Sunderlal Bahuguna. Unfortunately, this person died in COVID this year, last month, May. So Sunderlal Bahuguna, he started this movement. All over the world, this Chipko movement known as started by Sunderlal Bahuguna in Uttarakhand. What happened here? Here happened, people, they, Chipko means stick, atha lagi thoka, okay, Chipko means stick. What his idea was that people all gathered in the forest and they stick with one trees. That means they चिपक गए थे तो one trees. Why? Because they don't want to destroy the forest. They did not want to destroy the forest by the contractor who who cut down the trees, and also then after that they made some project. So people of the Uttarakhand, they did not want to destroy the forest. For that reason they started to stick with the trees, and after that what happened, this movement became the became known as Chipko movement, started by Sunderlal Bahuguna, and unfortunately we lost this great person this year. So after this type of movement, many places also, central India, southern India, many places people started to save the trees, forests. People started movement and people become very aware. Many social worker, many other common people also become very aware, and they stop to make many dams also in southern and central Asia, southern and central India started. And with this, when government also saw different type of activities or different type of protest against the all the different type of contract, you can say different type of contractor or different type of contract, anti-dam protest when see. So government of India, what they made, Wildlife Act. This is, you can see here in your picture, Wildlife Protection Act made 1972. Wildlife Protection Act made. After that also different type of act made by the government to safeguard what? Protection and safeguard for wildlife animals and wildlife animals, and also wildlife sanctuaries, other national park, this one. So already I have said that government made some laws for wildlife, pollution and forest protection, wildlife and control pollution and control and protection of the forest. Many laws made. Now human environment in the liberalized era. What is liberalization? Liberalization. It's this word made what? After liberalization, it made globalization. Liberalize means other country also can come to India and also can open factories, also can open bank, different type of sectors. It made liberalize. So new forest policy also formulated what? Focusing ecological social values. That means forest policy also made what? For ecological and social values also concerned there. Then also considerable space was opened up for citizen in the environment decision making process. That means many civil societies, educated people, civil societies people, expert the committee advising the environment ministry. That means government alone not make any law. Many experts, civil society and expert also come to join government and made the law for saving the forest, saving the hilly areas and protecting our wildlife. So here is another important thing. In 1991, what happened? Globalization started. In 1991, the word you can see here, globalization. Globalization means the whole world become one. One country can go to one country can do contact with another country, can take help from another country. So this globalization did good thing also, and also some impact to the country's environment. How it can given impact, like for the globalization in country, different type of products we export, even we import from another country, we export to another country. Like we import what? We import that crude oil from other country, from Gulf country, from Arab countries. We import crude oil. Like we also export our what? Jute, our tea we export. With this what happen? With this some problem also happen. When we export more thing, then we need more material. So for that people started to cultivate, or people started to produce more thing, and this more thing create more problem to the environment. So the environment, and even for that what happened, regulation act also made by the government. Even minerals, marine fisheries, you can see here. Implementation of the new policies also led increased production also. Because of globalization, production increase, and with this increased production what happened? With this increased production, problem also happened in minerals, marine fishes, then several consequences of our land, forest, water, coastal area, marine environment. What? So overfishing and intensive aquaculture in India, coastal water also what? Have caused widespread pollution. So overfishing means ज़्यादा fishing करना. What problem created? Coastal problem, water problem. Understood? Overfishing also created problem. So this is after that what happened? Traditional livelihood also destroyed. That means the local people, how they traditionally they fish, they do fishing, that one also destroyed. When we want to do more production to sell other country, so local fishers they are getting problem. For that reason what happened? Again government of India, what, 1996, one of its historical judgments what given, it prohibited non-traditional aquaculture across India. That means it traditionally aquaculture people can do. You can see traditional picture. What is this? Is traditional picture. How people do traditionally, this is traditional, can do, but non-traditional aquaculture, like for more and more production, that is means illegal production, that is banned in India. So you can see here, it's a traditional method for fishing. Okay, pond culture, this is traditional method, common method of fish culture. This is aquatic culture. পুখুৰী এটা বান্ধি দিয়ে বা কিছুমান পৰ্চন এৰিয়া বান্ধি দিয়ে তাতে কি কৰে মাছ জীয়াই মাছ ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেলি কি কৰে উৎপাদন কৰে that is produce fishes traditionally. This is traditional culture, so this is good for our environment, it's no problem. Again what happened, another problem is this, you can see it's a mining. So when we export more and more thing to other one state to another, to one country to another country, so it's create problem. Mining also create problem, and selling what all these thing also create problem to the environment, you can see. So production more, that means problem more. Then also our government, Indian government started many act regulation act and laws to save our environment, and also we need development. Yes, we need development. Without economical development, social development, country cannot be developed. But with that we need sustainable development, that we can save our forest also, we can save our hilly area, we can save our environment, and we can develop our society also. So for today this topic, and I want to conclude. Wait for next class.